Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x800704c6 not installing in Windows. So this error typically occurs during the download phase of a Windows update with the error message. There were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later with the error code 0x800704c6. So the 0x800704c6 is usually caused by an unstable internet connections, corrupted system files, and corrupted Windows update cache. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And then once you open up this troubleshoot settings, and then next step, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows update. And on right side, then you can see here this run and then click. And then pop-ups this Windows update detecting problems. So we will wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, and then the scan is totally complete, and then we have problems found the Windows update issues. If these problems or issues are already fixed, then click yes, but if not, and then click no, and then you need to follow the screen instructions to fix this error. And also you can view the detailed informations about this issue. So once you're done here at Windows update troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to reset the Windows update components. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. So here and search for apps, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and the next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword ipconfig space // DNS. So just type this command keyword ipconfig space // DNS and press enter. And successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword netsh space winsock space reset. So just type this command keyword netsh winsock space reset and then press enter. And successfully reset the winsock catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So we need to close the cmd, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows update with the error code 0x800704c6 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.